Banwanra ka jing sngowi ajan para dokhat bat ban pendrung ya ka mensim e ri ha ki samla ka National Cadet Corps NCC kala penlong da ka jingyat rally sha ki jalla ka than shatei lam mingi nekar rally North Eastern Region ha ka jingjingai ka balai hajar sanspa kilometer. Kani ka car rally ka bala penlong halor ka phang navigating challenges, forging leaders, kalong ru shibenta ka jingra khe ya ka jingdap nyo husan snem ka NCC. Hajuai ya kani ka sngi rakhe ha multi-purpose hall ka Kiang Nangbah Government College Juai ha ka jingadan lang Major General Gagan Deep ADG NCC ka principal ka Kiang Nangbah Government College ka Dr. E.M. Bla kinong hikay bat ki samla puli na ki college bat ki school bapher lapun phu pun phieng ya kani ka sngi da ki jingrai bat ki jingshat tanrai na ki khna NCC.
Each individual will only progress in life if the nation is progressing. So it's a interlinked thing, and that's why the motto of NCC is most important for us throughout a life: unity and discipline. Some of you might know, most of you would not know. Even I was a NCC cadet in junior division, of course. And progress is only through strength. If we are divided, the people who are opposite to us, against us, who don't want our development, can break us faster. So the progress of future of each one of us is dependent on unity. And second is discipline. Lot of us confuse discipline with the mode or the way of discipline. That's like drill and other issues. These are the methods to teach you discipline. The true discipline, lot of cadets who have heard me know this. True discipline is actually from inside. When you are not wearing NCC uniform, or you are an ex-cadet, you have gone beyond NCC, passed your C certificate, nobody is observing you, nobody knows who you are. And at that point in life, you have two ways to do a work. One is the hard but the correct way, and one is the easy but the wrong way. And the true discipline will be when your inner voice tells you to choose the right way, and you choose the right way. That is what is discipline. And discipline has to be developed in each facet, each aspect of a life, right from giving adequate time for your studies, which should remain your primary focus at least for next few years, because it's only academic excellence which will get you success in life or start the success story of life. So whether you devote time for studies, devote time for playing, devote time for relaxing, everything has to be regimented in a disciplined way. Only then you can succeed.
pui te katula list nam kate man like seniors ini college ngi man like first batch ini po ke NCC te kedau pemaning ii wo yinga ro kam join ke NCC to em ngthong wo lai ki part yang ki army to ira po chibon wa hagite ki kam yang ki army chibon ki experience ro yo an ki NCC chem I ha em ha NCC le ne wom MNI to ha NCC chibon ha yo I discipline ki ro I ta se vile la da MI ki cabaran untuk NCC pun sedang reward like reward em dang dunai tai VR kampung ha NCC MNI bun ha gijing mentau yo ki kenja platform ngau yo online ka special camp cepo Andhra Pradesh te wasi ATC ke mani ha po Lehkmen dia ARPS Shillong